Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. Anthony's efforts to rescue turtles. Continued as he grew older. He never lost his passion for these incredible creatures. And the satisfaction he felt when he knew he had saved their lives. His love for turtles not only made him a local hero, but also a guardian of nature. Teaching others the importance of compassion and protecting the environment. As the years passed, Anthony's small acts of kindness and his dedication to turtles left a lasting impact. On his community. The Turtle Guardians grew into a network of young conservationists who were passionate about preserving wildlife and the environment. Anthony's love for turtles had sparked a movement that extended far beyond the boundaries of his suburban neighborhood. Showing that even the smallest acts of kindness could make a big difference in the world. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!